Hi team, this is True Stevie, and if you haven't been on my channel before, my name's Stevie, and I would love it if you were to be another voice in my internet fantasy, so that would be really wonderful. Anyways, this is going to be an unboxing of actually several things, so you'll see that I'll probably be wearing the same stuff and the same makeup in several different videos. And if you can't notice, like half of my face is not working because I had a cavity filled, and so this whole side of my lip is completely numb. So don't mind the weirdness of my face right now. Anyways, I tried out several products from a lot of my stuff that I've unboxed for March, and I just want to kind of go through them all, but I'll start with Ipsy, and it will be its own unboxing, and then you can feel free to continue on with the other videos if you'd like to see the rest of my unboxings, like Boxycharm, Glossybox, and Ricky's Cold Crushes. Okay, so let's get started. So I've already opened this, but it is a super cute bag. I like the whole little peoples, and it did come with its own little markers, the pink and the yellow. Now, I kind of want to go to like a craft store or something and buy some more markers so that I can kind of have more colors to play with, but at the same time I don't want to go overboard and lose the whole artisticness of the bag, because I feel like less is more, but I feel like 2 colors is not enough for me to be satisfied with the less is more theme, but I will try. I'm one of those analytical people that, like, I love the idea of doing the art and like putting stuff on this bag, but I probably will never do it because I don't know, I just don't want to ruin it. Yeah, I'm one of those people. Anyways, the other, it is Ipsy Create for this month. So it says, this month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your spice, mash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade, rethink your wardrobe, pairing prints and combos you'd never usually try, turn your Instagram pics into real life gallery, dust off your guitar and start strumming, dance, sing, sculpt, write. It's time to create your masterpiece. There's more to it, but I think it's pretty fun to the little themes that they have every month, and that they have it on a little card. So I like that. Another item in here that I got in my bag is a Hikatari Cosmetics in the color Envy. I've already tried this yesterday. So with the brush that came with it, it was a I think Scone is the name of the brush, and it's like a large shadow brush. It's very dense, and so it's not like super fluffy or anything. So it's definitely not, it's a large shadow brush, but it's definitely not like a fluffy blush that I like to use. But packing on the color is definitely helpful with this guy here. It is dirty because I used it. So this is that color. So it looks really cool, and the green looks really cool. It did not go on the eye as well as pigment as I wanted to without first spraying the brush to really pack on the color. Other than that, like just dry applying it did not work for me. And I tried it with like a concealer first to kind of give it a little bit more tack to stick to and give more color, but it had to be wet first to get enough color pigmentation for my particular taste. The other item in here is this super tiny Tarte Sex Kitten. Now I have not tried this one yet. I have like so many eyeliners and so many mascaras. It's a really cute little container. but I just don't want to open it and have it like dry out or not be useful by the time that I would want to use it. So I haven't opened it yet. And then we have a mintbalm.com universal salve. So I love having some salves and lip stuff. I have not used this yet, but I do like the idea of it being mint. I did recently try the mint gloss chapstick kind of thing from my Glossybox from the month before. I did try that and I really like it so far. So there's that. And then the last item in here is City Color Glow Dual. There's I did try both of these. They're not on me right now, but I did try both. One's a cream, which is this guy right here, and one is a powder, which is this guy right here. And I'm more of a powder person myself. I just like the way that it looks better. But if you use these together, they do make a good combination. If you put the cream down first, it kind of creates this base where it just like lets the powder just kind of stick to it and be like even more vibrant. So I love highlighters, so that was really nice to have in there. And that was it for my Ipsy March unbagging. I really like it. Overall, I'd give this guy like probably like an 8 out of 10. I wouldn't give it like 100%. And the reason why is because the shadow just, I love the color. The color choice was like really great for me, especially with like my hair color and everything like that being red. Green is definitely one of my favorite colors. It just didn't like go on as well as I'd like it to. So I just wasn't as fond of that eye pigment. Did I drop it? Seriously? Oh my gosh. Oh no, here it is. So that Hikatari cream pigment, it didn't work out for me. I'm sure that other people might like to put up with, you know, using their pigments wet so that they get a good color out of them. I am just lazy and I just don't like have to going through the extra effort of doing that. So I wasn't as fond of it. I do love highlighters, so that definitely gave it points in this. I love the bag, it's super cute. And I don't know, like getting like a really super tiny like sample of eyeliner isn't necessarily a bonus for me. I do like having the brush in here, although I probably won't grab this brush very often. It's just not something that will fit into my collection of brushes very well. But I mean, I like getting a brush, so that's not going to be a deterrent for the bag itself. And I do like having some balms to bring with me in my purse and stuff, so I'm excited to have that. And mint is a good flavor as long as, I mean, like a good smelling option, as long as this guy doesn't like accidentally taste like toothpaste when it goes into my mouth accidentally, because it happens to be going on my mouth. But I mean, overall, I'm happy with the bag. And that was Ipsy, guys. I hope that you guys stick around for the other videos that I'll be posting for my other unboxings, including Boxycharm, Glossybox, and Ricky's Cult crushes. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe below and click that notification bell so that you're informed whenever I post a new video. I will in the future be putting some more vlogs instead of just solely unboxings. I feel like a lot of people do unboxings, and I'm sure there's plenty of other people that you enjoy watching, but I think it'd be more of a good kind of turn for my blog that I want to be able to make it a little bit more personalized and be able to give you guys some more insight into other things that I like, for instance, writing. So I will talk to you guys later, and I hope that you guys enjoy the channel and let me know what you guys like. Bye, guys. So sorry about having to deal with my mouth being super weird. Until next time.